Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card in DJI Osmo Action. And to do this, first we'll need to open the slot on the right side of our camera. Also make sure that this cover is removed. So simply click on this button right here and pull it upwards like this. Now inside you can find the SD card slot, which is located right here, and we'll need to align the SD card like this on that image. It should go in like this. Now you can use your fingernail or something very thin to push it in until you hear the click, and your SD card is inserted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.